Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a review on this wig that I got from SHIEN. Yes, SHIEN, that clothing app that everybody is on every day, all day. They are now selling wigs. This is a 13 by 4 26-inch lace wig. The front is a little bit pre-plucked, not that much, but I'm definitely going back in and plucking some more. This is how it looks after I plucked it just a little bit more and bleached the knots. I also dyed their hair jet black off camera. So yes, and that's all the hair that came out after I plucked. Okay, so here is when I start putting the wig on. I did my braids off camera and put the cap on off camera. So now I'm just laying down that first layer of glue. And from here, I'm honestly just gonna let y'all watch me work. And just to let you guys know, I did do a lot of little things off camera because in my other videos I already showed it. So unless you guys really want me to do like an updated kind of tutorial on how I do an install, most of the things that I do I'm just gonna bypass. Like I put makeup on the frontal. I didn't show that in the video, and I also use a tinting spray as well to make it look even more melted, that I didn't show on this video either. So anything that y'all really want to see, please put it in the comments, and yeah, we could definitely get that done. But overall, the hair felt fan-freaking-tastic. Like this hair felt even better than I thought it would. Like it looked better than I thought it would. This hair was better than a lot of other hair that I paid a whole lot more money for, honestly. And it still feels good. I'm editing this video 2 weeks from the day that I did the install. I reinstalled it one more time. The hair is absolutely perfect. I definitely need to order like a 613 wig next and see what that's about, because SHIEN really did their thing with this wig right here. So I got high hopes for what a 613 is gonna feel like. Okay, you guys, so this is how the hair turned out. Honestly, especially for Shein, this hair came out really, really good. It was like $180 something for 26 inches. This is a 13 by 4. I usually like 13 by 6 because I like a deep parting space. But yeah, it feels really good. I'm honestly just coming from a photo shoot that I'm doing for my birthday. So yeah, the hair feels really good. I did have to bleach the knots twice because I did have to bleach the knots twice, just because the first time didn't do like enough for me. So I did bleach it twice. I dyed it jet black off camera, all of that. I am still gonna put some layers in the front, but other than that, this hair, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. I'll give it an 8 out of 10, honestly, because it's too soon to tell. I don't know if it's gonna be shedding and all that extra stuff, but so far, 8 out of 10. I really like it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. The hair didn't take that long to come either. I think it took like a week really to probably like a week and a half to like ship and get here. So yeah, that wasn't too big of an issue. But yeah, this is it. Let me see. Yeah, this is it. So thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can see, we are definitely going up. Subscribers going up, views going up, everything is going up. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.